Hello students, in this video we'll be discussing few of the extra questions on comparing quantities chapter of class 8 standard. Okay, so let us go with the first question which is on the screen. So there are 24% of boys in a school. If the number of girls is 456, find the total number of students in the school. So according to the question, they are asking to find out the total number of students. But as you can see in the question, percentage is of the boys and the number is of girls. Okay, two different values are given. Why I'm saying differently, you'll get it to know it when we are doing the solution. Let us see one by one. Okay, so number of girls. Let us write down the data, what we are getting from the question. Number of girls. How many? 456. Okay, percentage of boys. What is the percentage of boys? That is 24%. Okay, and we don't know the total number of students. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna consider let the total number of students be number of students be x. Okay, so let us go to solve. Okay, as we are very well aware that percentage will be applied always on the total value. Here we are talking about the number of students. So the percentage should be applied on the total number of students. It may be the percentage of girls or the boys. We had to apply it on total numbers only. Okay. So what were the value they gave it now? They gave the values of the girls, that is 456. We're gonna keep it on the right hand side, that is 456. Any value should be present on the right hand side and the percentage value should be written on the left hand side. And one more thing I want to say you all, the very simple thing you have to keep it in your mind that whatever the value you are taking in the right hand side, okay, related to that value only you have to write down in the left hand side, and that should be in percentage. That also in percentage. Yeah. Left hand side values always be in percentage itself. As you can see, they are given in a percentage of boys, but we have written in the right hand side the values of girls, number of girls. That means we need to write down the percentage of girls in the left hand side that we don't know, right? So let us find out the percentage of girls. So to find out percentage of girls, let us see what we can do. So percentage of girls is equal to, we know it, total percentage is calculated as 100. So 100 percentage minus 24% will give the value as how much? 76%. Okay, that is what we're gonna use it. So 76 percentage of girls. Okay, total value should be compared with always with the total number. Okay, so total number we have considered as what? X. So of x. So let us remove that percentage. To remove that, what we're gonna do? 76 divided by 100 into x is equal to 456. So let us cross multiply. So this, yeah, cancellation is possible, but we are not going to do it now. The cancellation, we are going to cross multiply. So x is equal to 100 into 456 divided by 76 multiplied. So 456 into 100 will give the value as 45,600 divided by 76. Now let us divide it. Okay, so here I got the calculator. So let us divide it. 45600 divided by 76. And that has given the value as 600. Okay, so the total number of students are how many? 600. So let us write down that sentence, final sentence of the solution. Therefore, the total number of students, total number of students in school are 600. 100. Okay. That's it from the first solution. Let us go with the next one. And here is our second question. The very simple. They have given the mark price in your question. As you can see it, an article mark price is at 940. Mark price of an article is 940. Let us write down the given data. Marked price. Marked price. We can write shortcut as MP is equal to, what is that value they gave us? Rupees 940. That is 940. And they give that article was sold at 799. That is our selling price. Selling price is rupees. Selling price is rupees 799. And they're asking you to find out the discount and that too in percentage. Okay. So first of all, we have got the formula to calculate. What's that formula? You may be aware of that while doing this chapter. That is the selling price is equal to marked price minus discount, right? And this discount is not in percentage, it is in rupees. Okay, for information. So let us substitute the values. Before substituting the values, okay, let us just frame our formula as we want to find out the discount. So let us transpose it to left hand side. So discount, I'm going to transpose it to left hand side. As you can see, it is negative. So when it is been transposed to left hand side, it gets positive is equal to marked price. Now we're going to transpose selling price, which is on the left hand side, to transport it on the right hand side. Transpose, okay, minus selling price. And MP and SP value, we are very well aware of it because it is already given in the question. That is 940 minus 799. It's just a subtraction. So we'll get the discount as rupees as 141. That is discount, that too in rupees. But as you can see in the question, they are asking you to find out the discount in percentage. Okay, so let us find out the percentage of discount. So percentage of discount. It's very simple, very simple. Okay, so what is a discount? So discount divided by marked price into 100. Let us substitute the values. So what is the discount we got? It that is rupees 141 divided by mark price is rupees 940 into 100. One thing we can do the cancel. We can cancel it, that is 0, 0. Okay, so just multiply now the values. That is 141 into 10. We'll give the value as 141. And here we're going to place a 0 divided by 94. Okay, let us divide it. Very simple. We're going to use a calculator. So 141. So 1410 divided by 94. We got the percentage as how much? 15. So percentage of discount is percentage of discount. How much we got it here? 15%. Okay. And that's it. The very simple watch was bought for rupees 2,700, including 8% of VAT. VAT is nothing but value added taxes. Find its price before the VAT was added. Okay. Before the VAT was added. Okay. So cost of and cost of watch, including tax. How much it is? 2,700. Okay, 2,700. I could have written this first. Let it, let it be. Let the cost of watch excluding tax be X. Yeah, they're asking you to find out the amount or the cost of watch before the tax, that is excluding tax. Okay, like we call it as not marked price. So likewise, we have to find out the value. So moreover, I just you want to give the brief description, brief knowledge about you all. Like whenever they are talking about the tax, right? So think it like one product that is like mobile, which costs rupees 10,000. Okay, and I can say that 10,000, whatever the mark price of that phone is, not that is what the 100% of amount we had to pay it. No, but we are not going to pay 10,000. We will be paying some extra as what tax. Okay, it may be like 7%, 10%, whatever. Let us think it like we are going to pay 10% extra as in tax. So 10,000 is our 100% of amount of that mobile phone. It may be any article. Okay. Upon that, we have to pay 10% extra as in tax. So totally we are going to pay as how much? 100% plus 10, we are going to pay it as 110 percentage, right? The same thing over here, 2,700. As I said, you all, the value should be placed on the right answer. That's 2,700. This 2,700 is including tax. Okay. So related to the right hand side value, we have to write down the value related to the same content on the left hand side, that is in percentage. That means whatever the price of that article may be, that is 100%. Upon that, we are paying extra. How much we are paying extra? 8% has in tax. Okay, so total we are paying how much? 108%, right? So that 108% we are going to apply it on our mark price value, that is on our watch, okay, which we have considered as our X. So let us, this is the completion of an equation, 108% of X. So let us find out the value. So 108 divided by 100 into x is equal to 2,700. Very simple, just cross multiply it. We won't be doing any cancellation over here, just cross multiply. So x is equal to 100 into 2,700 divided by 108. Okay. So let us do few of the cancellation if it is possible. Then, okay, so we know it, 108 goes in three tables. So 3 3s are 9, 1 is 7, 3 6 are 18, and 3 9s are 27. That is 3 900s are 2,700. Once again, we can do the cancellation like 6 6 are 36, and 6 1s are 6, 3 is remaining, 6 5s are 6, 150s are. If you don't want to do any cancellation, directly multiply and then divide. Okay, you will get the right answer even though. Once again, 6 ones are and 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 6 twos are 12, 3 is remaining, 6 fives are, yeah, 25. So what is remaining with us, the values? That is 100 into 25. Okay, so x is equal to 100 into 25 will give the value as rupees 2,500. As I written already the sentence related to x, which value I took it as x. So x is nothing but what? The cost of a watch excluding tax. So before applying the tax, the watch cost rupees 2,500. Okay. So if any doubt related to the problems we have been solved now, just comment your doubt. We're gonna try to give the answer for your doubts. Okay. So let us go with the last one of this extra question video. The next one, the very simplest one. We brought very simplest question. So they are saying to find out directly the amount. They did not say to find out any compound interest. Directly an amount they are saying to find out. Okay, and that using compounded annually formula. So we know it very well. That is amount is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. This is the formula for compounded annually. Okay, here they give the rupees 2,000. That is our principal. Sorry, I did not write the data. First, we have to begin with the data. Okay, so I've been started with the formula. That's okay. Let us substitute and get the value. So principal is over 2000. 1 plus R stands for rate of interest, and that is 4%. So 4 divided by 100 whole to the power of n. N is nothing but what? Number of years, or as you can say time. That is how much they gave you? 2 years. Okay, let us do a bit of calculation part. So we know it very well. That is 4 ones and 4 25s 100. So 2000 has it is of 1 plus 1 by 25 whole square. So amount is equal to. Let us take out the LCM 2000 of. As you can see for the first one, there is nothing in the denominator. There is very basic of mathematics. Nothing in the denominator we have to consider as what 1. So LCM gonna be 25. So what are you gonna multiply to the first term? That is our LCM is 25. So 25 and here into 1. So 25 plus 1 whole square. Okay, so let us add up. So amount is equal to 2000 into 25 plus 1 will give the value as 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. Let us do a bit of cancellation. So 25 ones are and 25 eights are 200. This 0 as it is. 5 fives are 25 and 5 16s are. So what is remaining with us? That is amount is equal to 16 into 26 into 26. In the denominator just 5. So final amount. Let us use a calculator to find out the value. So 16 into 16. Okay, let us do it there. 16 into 26 into 26. We got the value as how much? 10,816. That should be divided by 5. Yeah, so we got it the amount as 2,163.2. That is what the amount. Okay, we are going to get it after the 2 years with the rate of interest as 4%. And that's it from this video of the extra questions related to the comparing quantities chapter. If any doubt out of these 4 problems which we solved in this video, comment your doubt. We shall try to give the solutions for your doubt. And that's it from this video. So till then, thank you all.